Alright, today is December 24th, 2009. It's the blizzard of '09. It started snowing about 10 a.m. and we now have over a foot on the ground on at least the snowdrifts areas. Probably fallen on the regular flat areas at least 7 to 8 inches. I don't know how well you'll be able to see this, but it looks like a frozen tundra. I've never seen anything like it. Here's a mound of snow. Let me see if I can step in it and see how deep it is. Okay. Well, it's at least 2 or 3 feet deep. This is probably the coolest white Christmas I've ever been a part of. So, anyway. A little crazy.